Welcome back to Rush Drive, the channel where we take the world's most talked about cars and break them down like your favorite action movie scene. Toyota Corolla, the most reliable car brand of 2026, is in the spotlight today, and trust me, this ride deserves every bit of the hype. Buckle in, because over the next 7 minutes we're diving into everything from price to power to comfort, and why this car feels like the most comfortable machine on wheels you'll ever experience. Right when you see the Corolla 2026 rolling up on the screen, you'll notice it's more than just a looker. It's confident from every angle. The design whispers elegance but shouts practicality like a silent ninja with a perfect plan. This is Toyota's masterpiece of balance. Not too flashy but definitely not boring, and yes, this is the car that most drivers around the world trust without hesitation, because reliability isn't just a word for Toyota, it's a lifestyle. Let's talk price first, because everyone wants the best bang for their buck, and the Corolla delivers exactly that. This is the kind of car that doesn't make you second guess your choice. It's affordable to buy, easy on insurance, and even easier on maintenance. Unlike some cars that make you feel lucky when they start, Corolla owners know their car is ready before they are. No morning drama, just smooth starts and dependable performance. From city cruising to highway rhythm, this car feels trustworthy, like a loyal sidekick who never leaves your corner. Under the hood, Toyota kept things smart and simple with an engine that strikes a perfect blend of power and efficiency. You don't need a rocket ship to feel alive on the road, and Corolla proves it. The powertrain is responsive enough to put a smile on your face when you accelerate, but gentle enough to make traffic feel like a breeze. It's not about raw horsepower numbers, it's about smooth delivery, confident overtakes, and that wonderful sensation of effortless cruising. The suspension is tuned for comfort, so every bump feels like a handshake from the road, not a punch in the spine. Long drives feel like short drives. You barely notice how far you've gone because the cabin is calm, cozy, and surprisingly quiet. Speaking of calm atmosphere, let's talk about comfort. From the moment you sit in the driver's seat, you feel like you've stepped into a space custom built for you. The seats cradle you in all the right places, soft where you want it, firm where you need it, and cozy enough that you forget you're actually in rush hour traffic. Interior materials feel quality, not cheap, and every surface seems to be placed with intention. Dash lines flow, they don't clash, buttons are where your fingers expect them, and the overall feel is welcoming, like a well-designed living room with wheels. Now here's where Corolla really shines: features that make your daily drive effortless and even a little joyful. Toyota packed this car with smart tech that doesn't overwhelm. Instead, it feels intuitive, easy, and frankly delightful. The infotainment system is responsive, colorful, and easy to navigate. You won't be fumbling around looking for the song you love or the map you need. It's right there at your fingertips. Connectivity is seamless. Your phone pairs faster than your friend arrives late to dinner, and the audio feels crisp, clear, giving your playlists life on the road. Safety features on the Corolla 2026 are like having a guardian angel riding shotgun, from blind spot monitors to lane keep assist, and a suite of advanced sensors that watch the road even when you're having a coffee moment. Toyota's safety tech tirelessly looks ahead, giving you confidence each time you drive. It's the kind of confidence that makes you feel like you're in control without being overwhelmed. It's effortless peace of mind. Let's look at power specs, because we all want to know what's under the hood and how it performs. Corolla's engine lineup is tuned to be efficient yet engaging. From quick acceleration to smooth overtakes on highways, you feel like you're handling something reliable and capable. The transmissions are smooth, no jerky shifts, nothing that distracts you from enjoying the drive. Toyota engineers clearly know how to balance performance and everyday usability, making the Corolla feel exciting without compromising its signature comfort and economy. And let's not forget fuel economy, because this car sips fuel like it's enjoying a fine cup of tea while most cars gulp it down like energy drinks. Corolla knows moderation, and it shows in real-world driving. You go further for less, and your trips to the gas station are happily less frequent. Why is Toyota Corolla considered one of the most comfortable cars in the world? It's simple: the engineers focused on the human experience. The cabin feels spacious even if you're not 6'5". The visibility is excellent, so you don't feel boxed in, and there's a natural sense of control and ease. Take a long drive and your back doesn't protest, your wrists don't complain, and your mood doesn't sour. In fact, you end up smiling more because this car works with you, it doesn't fight you. Comfort isn't a feature, it's a feeling, and Corolla delivers that feeling consistently. Reliability doesn't just mean fewer breakdowns, it means confidence in every journey, rain or shine, long trip or quick errand, this car is ready. Owners around the globe trust Toyota Corolla because time and time again it proves dependable year after year without surprises or unnecessary drama. It's the kind of relationship drivers love: no surprises, no regrets, just smooth, reliable mobility. Friends ask if you've ever had a bad day with Corolla, and the honest answer is rarely, because this car remains steadfast even when life gets unpredictable. Now imagine all of that wrapped in a cinematic drive sequence, cruising through city lights or winding country roads with the sun setting behind you. The Corolla makes every scene look effortless and every drive feel like a moment designed for enjoyment. This is where reliability meets personality, where comfort becomes art, and where everyday driving feels extraordinary. And that's exactly why Toyota Corolla stands tall in 2026 as one of the most reliable and most comfortable cars in the world. Not because it's trying to impress, but because every detail was crafted to make your life easier, more joyful, and far more comfortable behind the wheel. If you enjoyed this ride with Rush Drive and want to see more deep dives, reviews, and cinematic breakdowns of the coolest cars on the planet, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. We're just getting started, and there's